Hello everyone, and once again welcome back to my channel. For our video for today, I am going to show you how we are going to download, install, and use FFmpeg to our Windows operating system. But before we begin, let me give you an introduction what FFmpeg is from chatgpt.com. So FFmpeg is a powerful open source software suite for handling multimedia files including video, audio, and other multimedia formats. It is widely used for tasks such as converting, streaming, and recording multimedia content. Actually, FFmpeg is a command line audio and video converter, and it is available for Linux, Mac OS, and Windows. And it is an open source tool to help users manipulate multimedia content and offers free access to several audio and video libraries. And according to chatgpt.com, FFmpeg provides a set of libraries and tools that can process audio in various ways, including video and audio conversion, streaming, editing and processing, encoding and decoding, automation, and these are some of the key components that we can include if we're going to use FFmpeg. So that's all for our introduction. So to download FFmpeg, we will add another tab here, and we're going to type FFmpeg official download page, and it will give us a numbers of result, but we're going to take the first and number one from the search result. And since we are using Windows operating system, we're going to click this one, and we have this option here: Windows builds from Gaian.dev and Windows builds by BTBN. So let's try this one from the top. And these are the latest Git master branch build. It has a version of 2024 1121 Git F298507323. And let's click this one. Let's go to desktop, and let's go to FFmpeg folder and save this one. And let us wait till it will be done. So let us click open. Let's open this one to WinRAR. Click open, and let us try to extract this one from our to our desktop and FFmpeg. Let's close this one, minimize, and let's go to FFmpeg folder. And here we go. We have this downloaded and extracted files from here. So let us try if it is working. So let us open in terminal, and it will open this Windows PowerShell, and let us try to type FFmpeg. So as you can see here, FFmpeg, the term FFmpeg is not recognized as the name of a cmdlet function, script file, or operable program. Check the spelling of the name, or if a patch or if a path was included. Verify that the path is correct and try again. So we receive an error here. So what are we going to do to install FFmpeg to our operating system? We're going to install FFmpeg by setting our Windows environment variables, and we're going to add FFmpeg to the path. So what are we going to do next after extracting the FFmpeg is that we're going to this folder, and let us copy FFmpeg folder which we extracted earlier. Let us go to this PC, local disk, and we're going to paste it here. So next step we're going to do is we're going to search the system variables in our search bar, and we're going to click open. So in this part is we're going to create or edit the system environment variable option so that we can add FFmpeg to the path. So assuming we are in the computer name, hardware, and in the third tab we have this advanced. After that is we're going to click environment variables, click path, and then click edit. After that is we're going to click new, and let's go back to our local disk C where FFmpeg folder is located, and we're going to copy as path this bin file, and then let's go back here, click new, and then we're going to paste that one, click OK. Once again, click OK, then OK. So let us try if FFmpeg command is working now by opening open in terminal, and let us type FFmpeg. So to verify if FFmpeg is already installed in our Windows operating system, we will have this output after we type FFmpeg, which indicate the version installed in our Windows operating system, like this FFmpeg version 2024 1121 git F298507323 essential build. So it confirms that our installation of FFmpeg is successful once we have this message. So let's close this one, and we are ready to go, and we can use FFmpeg command using this tutorial. So once again, this video is providing an easy step-by-step guide on installing FFmpeg on our Windows operating system. So once again, if this video has been helpful to you, don't forget to click the like button, don't forget to subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you will be updated to my future updates. Once again, thank you very much for having you here. God bless you.